Want to hide your private folders in Windows without using any extra software? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, find the folder you want to hide. Right-click on it and select Properties. Next, under the General tab, simply check the hidden box and click OK. Consequently, Windows will ask if you want to hide just this folder or all the subfolders and files inside it. Personally, I highly recommend selecting the second option to hide everything inside, then hit OK. Now, as you can see, the folder is completely gone. But how do you actually find it when you need it? Basically, all you have to do is click on the View tab at the top, go down to Show, and check Hidden Items. Immediately, your hidden folder will reappear. Finally, if you want to make the folder permanently visible again, the process is just as simple. First, right-click the folder, go back to Properties, and uncheck the Hidden box. Consequently, click OK. Confirm the changes for all files inside, and you are good to go. So, if this quick Windows trick helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.